So guys, yeah, this could be my a video of me making boba for you guys and letting you guys know what you should get to make boba, because since we're all quarantined and everything, and I guess some boba stores are closed, I don't know, but
What's up, guys? Right now we are at Ono Hawaiian Barbecue, and I'm here with my dad and my sister, but I don't think she wants to be seen right now. And we're also here with that's Callie right there. Say hi, Callie. Hi. We're probably gonna be going to the movie theaters soon, but I'm not sure what our plan is for today. Don't worry, you're not gonna be in it. You're fine. I'm gonna edit all this out anyways. All this is editing, so I can just put you in, and then I can edit you out. I don't think I have the virus, but I think I'm doing good right now. Hope you guys are doing well right now and staying safe inside your homes, but not like me. But I'll see you there in a bit. See ya.
so basically, to make boba, you're gonna need milk tea. You're gonna need your tapioca pearls. First off, to make the milk tea, you want your tea. After you made your hot tea, you put in your sugar and honey. Then you put in the milk tea. Once you've done that, you take out your boiling tapioca pearls and then you cool them. Yeah, and once you've done that, voila, you have your boba. So I'm gonna show you how to make it right now.